forecast.
On the alert for some wintry precipitation. Hello, I'm 29. First alert to meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. That is the next big thing I'm tracking here in the Weather Center. This is going to be later on Wednesday, especially Wednesday night into early on Thursday. There's going to be some sleet, freezing rain, and plain old cold rainfall. Until then, here's your first forecast on this Tuesday. No weather hazards whatsoever. It's going to be okay, almost spring-like across much of the area. Temperatures coming on up through the 40s and 50s this morning, 60s, and if not near 70 off to the south of the James River. So a wide range of numbers today. Basically, we're going to be in the 50s and 60s for highs under a blend of clouds and sunshine and a gusty wind at times. Right now, numbers are all over the place. 40s, 50s, even some low 60s. It all depends on if you have a light breeze story in your air. The Doppler radar network is dry, at least for now. The big picture showing us high pressures over the region. But as this high pressure dome shifts off to the north, we're going to get a colder northeast wind flow similar to what happened back on Sunday. So that means tomorrow will be a lot colder compared to what we're going to have later on today. At the same time, here comes some energy, some moisture from the Gulf and also from the Rockies. These two will combine their forces and give us our next winter weather event, especially for the higher elevations. This is mostly for the Blue Ridge Mountains and also for the Shenandoah Valley. But there's a winter storm watch from 1 p.m. tomorrow through 7 a.m. Thursday for the Blue Ridge Mountains. This is the corridor most favored to have a glaze of ice and some sleet. So futurecast shows no weather issues today. I guarantee it. Sunshine, a few clouds. The clouds roll in tonight. Much colder tomorrow with highs only in the 30s. Now, here's tomorrow morning through midday, not a whole lot going on. Later Wednesday evening, there could be a little bit of sleet and some rainfall, maybe a little snow for the higher elevations, but it's mainly overnight tomorrow night. Into Thursday morning, here's midnight on Thursday, we're going to see some pockets of sleet and freezing rain, ending as a cold rain on Thursday morning before it moves away Thursday afternoon. So here's the bottom line. We have declared the Shenandoah Valley and Blue Ridge Mountains as a first alert weather day category for Wednesday evening into early on Thursday. It's mostly for the Blue Ridge and the Valley. So could be some icy spots on those elevated, untreated surfaces. Now there could be some school delays and closings that can't be ruled out. And there's going to be perhaps a little bit of sleet mixed in to the rainfall across central Virginia, Charlottesville, but it's mostly a cold rainfall with temperatures just above freezing. And we're going to get about a ½ inch of rain on average. Could be a little more, a little less, but the average will be about a ½ inch of plain old rain. Your forecast today: partly sunny, milder south near 70 Dillon wind, 63 Charlottesville, 56 though for Harrisonburg. For the overnight, we're going to be in the 30s and dry. Tomorrow, not a whole lot going on during the day, but it's later in the afternoon. Could be a little bit sleet or some freezing rain, snow for the higher elevations. But it's tomorrow night into early on Thursday, a wintry mix to a cold rain. So Thursday morning, mostly a cold rainfall in the 50s for highs as it dries out in the afternoon. Low 60s on Friday. We're back to 40s Saturday with a rain and snow shower. Back to upper 50s on Sunday and mostly cloudy. And then we tumble again next Monday in the 40s.